How to delete your Remitly account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that all transfer transactions are marked as delivered or cancelled, right? So after making sure all of these are delivered or cancelled, you'd actually need to get to your profile. For that, simply tap on the gear-like icon right here. We'll get into the settings. From here, simply tap on profile information. Then from there, you can actually tap on the option close account. Then you'll actually be able to find that option on the very bottom. Simply tap on that one, and then you can simply go along with the process of how you'll be able to close the account on your application, right? So you can either you can contact a Remitly support directly via chat in order to initiate the deletion too. So just like that, you'll actually be able to delete your Remitly account permanently. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.